channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I will be unboxing my Boxycharm Luxe box. And this is a quarterly box, guys. And this is Boxycharm's lifestyle box. This box costs $59.99 every 3 months. And in this box you're going to receive 8 full-size beauty and lifestyle products. So this is one of my favorite ones to get from Boxycharm. I like the Boxy Luxe. Has really great products in it. So we're going to review this today. And I did use the eyeshadow palette out of this box here. So we'll get into that in a minute. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate your visit. I hope you enjoy this unboxing and continue to check back for some of my other ones. But for now, let's get into this bowl, darlings. So guys, our first product out of this box is the one that I am wearing on my eyelids. It is the Natasha Denona. We have her eyeshadow palette here, and this is the Cupid eyeshadow palette. Let me pop it out so you guys can see it. Guys, this palette has a retail value of $48. This is how it looks. I'm gonna flip it back so you guys can see the great colors. So these are the colors in this palette here, and we did receive our monthly card from Boxycharm that tells us the cost as well as some information about our product here. So it says with 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics, this versatile 5-pan Cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks. And from flirty to fierce, featuring rich copper browns, bright champagne pinks, and luscious burgundy corals. All 5 shades are velvety, hydrating, and effortless to layer. And this was made exclusively for Boxycharm by Natasha Denona. And this does have a $48 value. And guys, I did use this palette. I thought everything was easy to work with. I do like that we do get some really good brand name palettes in Boxycharm, and it's one of the things that I actually look forward to. So I was super excited when I seen this was in my box. So very pleased with the Natasha Denona palette here, and everything blended very well. I actually used 3 of the colors to create today's look. So I started as my base with the brown, then I went in with my corners with the red, and then I just put a little bit on my finger to do the middle of my eyelid with these champagne looking gold here. And I just kind of blended everything together. It worked beautifully. So I am very pleased with this palette here. Very nice. So our next product out of my box, guys, we have Glow Recipe. This is their papaya enzyme cleaning balm. So guys, this product has a value of $32, and the verbiage that we have from Boxycharm is reveal smooth skin and effortlessly dissolve makeup, dirt, and oil. So guys, when you open up the box, this is how our product comes out. They give you a spatula to put the product on, and I'm gonna just open it just to show you what it looks like inside. But you just would rub this in between your hands and apply this to your face to help break down the makeup, and gently just wipe it off to use it. So I have not used this one before, but I am looking forward to trying out a new cleansing balm here. So this will be fun, and doesn't have any smell to it. I didn't even check. Oh, it has a light fragrance, like a light sweet smell to it. Not very loud though, very light smelling fragrance that is with this. Love the packaging. Very summer-esque looking even when you open it up. So I'm looking forward to trying this product out as well. So already we have 2 products right out of our Luxe box that make up for the value of our box. So we have 2 name brands that we're familiar with. So the next product I'm going to go on to, I have here is Lawless Beauty. And this is the Lawless Beauty Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. And this gloss has a $25 retail value, guys. And it says a clinically proven lip plumping treatment and ultra shiny gloss with immediate and long term plumping, softening, and hydrating benefits in a universal flattering sheer baby pink shade. Immediately lines are filled and the lip surface is smooth. With consistent use, lips are proven to increase their volume and plumpness with fewer lip lines. So I have never used Lawless Beauty before, so this will be my first time using the product. And again, they did say the color, I have Rosy Outlook is what it looks like here. And I'm going to just show it to you guys. I'm not going to put it on because I have lipstick and everything on already. But guys, this is what it looks like out of the packaging, just so you can have an idea of what the product look like. And I know these lip plumpers, either you like them or you don't. Like, some of them sting, like really sting. And it just depends on your needs. I don't really care for lip plumpers either way. I mean, I just rather just be hydrating, most importantly to me. But for some people, this would be beneficial if you have some lines or, you know, have more mature lips. This may be something that makes your lips look a little bit fuller, so I can appreciate that. And I think that was a good universal product to throw in here. So I can't wait to try that one. Guys, the next product that I have here, I have Give Them the La La. Now we had another product from them. I want to say it was a makeup product in the Boxycharm. Was it premium? I think it was the premium. We had a makeup product from Give Them the La La. So this time we have Stay Calm Smoothing Sheet Mask. And this product here is valued at $30. And how many sheet masks are in here? Does it say? I do not see how many sheet masks are in here. Is it 4? It looks like 4 of them are in here. And what it's saying is the verbiage is it smooths and softens your skin in a flash with the Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask infused with naturally calming ingredients like aloe, chamomile, and licorice root. Okay, this sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated, soft, and visibly smoother in just one use. So I do love sheet masks, so I'll look forward to trying this. I don't feel any kind of particular way. I like sheet masks. This will work for me, so that's cool. On to our next product, guys. So the next thing I have here, this is Ren Skincare. So this is the Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream by Ren. We have received their products before in Boxycharm. This eye cream combines 95% natural origin ingredients to visibly reduce dark circles after just 7 days. That would be impressive. With an irritation-free formula suitable for all eyes and bioactives to brighten, hydrate, and plump the entire eye area. So guys, our next product out of my box here is going to be the Complex Culture Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist. I thought this was interesting. Moisturize, set, and protect all in one step with this multitasking blue light defense mist. Botanical powerhouse, clinically proven to protect your skin from the harmful effects of the HEV blue light rays, like the ones that speed up the sign of aging. Oh, we don't like speeding up the sign of aging. Mood boosting scent to soothe your screen time. Simply close your eyes and spray anytime if you need a break. So this again is $32. Let's see what this looks like outside of the packaging. I don't know how I feel about this blue light stuff. Like, is this like for real? Let's give it a spray. I don't particularly like the smell of this. It's not horrible. I just don't care for it. That's just my personal preference. So this is what the product looks like. It seems good in theory, but does this really work with the blue light is kind of what my point is. Like, just because you say it is, how do we know this really works? Because I've never heard of this kind of product before, so I'm a little bit more hesitant, but that's just me. But I will definitely give it a try. I could be missing out on something, and it may do exactly what it says it does. I'm just a little skeptical, that's all. So guys, the next product in my box that I have here is another brand that I am familiar with, and that is Juice Beauty. We do receive a lot of Juice Beauty products. Even though we receive a lot of the Juice Beauty products and Boxycharms, I must admit most of them I receive are never the same product. So I do get to try out different products in this line. So this one here is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. So I do love retinol, especially if you're trying to get rid of marks or got acne or trying to fight the signs of aging. Like, retinol is your friend once your skin gets used to it. But my skin has been doing great since I've introduced retinol into my regimen. So if you got this in your box, it may be worth a try. So guys, this product here by Juice Beauty, this is retail at $72. Really? Whoa, that's a lot. That is a lot for a retinol serum. Wow. The verbiage that we receive here says clean, vegan, 2.5% bio retinol and retinol serum with breakthrough scientific technology encapsulates the vitamins in evening primrose to assure sustainability and avoid toxic chemicals. Skin rescuing technologies to help keep your skin looking and acting youthful while you sleep. So that's pretty good. I can't wait to try this. I'm looking forward to this one. Okay. So guys, we are down to the last product that is in my box. And it is, I was hoping I would get this, the Frank's Body. This is the Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. And I love the packaging on this. This is so neat. So it says, my coffee cup is food grade and reusable. So we got a little cup in here, and this product is deeply hydrating, help to reduce the appearance of cellulite through moisture and massage, caffeinated for perky skin. And basically you would just massage this product all over your body daily, rub in the areas where you need a little extra focus. I love the packaging. This is so cute. Like, the product is actually in a real coffee cup. I mean, how neat is that? Oh, I'm so happy I got this. I was so looking forward. Oh, look how it looks. So guys, this is what the product look like inside. So once you're done with your product, you can actually use this as a actual coffee cup. I think that's great. Definitely creates less waste in the environment if you have something that you can use that's reusable. So I'm super excited about this one here. And before I forget to tell you guys the price of this one is $19.95, so very affordable. Feeling flat? Perky will perk you up. It's a sculpting moisturizer for smooth and hydrating skin. Packed with caffeine to firm your favorite assets. I love this one here. This is probably one of my favorites out of here. So glad this was in the box, guys. So guys, in review, I think we got a lot of great products in this box. This box, again, is a lifestyle box. This is not your typical beauty box. So I don't intend to see a lot of makeup in here. So, I mean, I'm very satisfied with the products in here. If you guys don't know, if some of you already watched my videos, you know I am a skincare junkie. So, the skincare junkie in me is very satisfied. And we have a lot of high value products in here. I don't know, $72 for retinol, I'm just saying, a little pricey. But overall, guys, I'm pretty satisfied with my Luxe box. And for those of you wondering, I did receive version C2203407-LX, which is Luxe. So that is the version of the box that I have. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me today. Let me know which one was your favorite products out of this box. Have you guys tried some of these products before? Let me know if you have and how they worked out for you. But guys, it would mean the world to me if you can hit that like and subscribe button. It would definitely help my channel grow here on YouTube. And I look forward to giving you unboxings on a weekly basis. So definitely hit that button so you can stay up to date and click on the notification bell, and you will be notified anytime I upload. But guys, for now, have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, and I will see you next time. Bye.